My name is Emmanuel. I'm from Manipur, from a small district called Chorichandpur. This particular industry for me in my district, there is no scope, I would say, basically as of now. But as I see in the near future, I want to grow in this industry, make name for myself, as well as grow as an individual and have a life skill that I could use as long as my hands and feet work. So when I came to Mumbai, I did not know where I could enroll myself in an academy, but just going through the internet, just surfing through the internet, I got lots of academies, but it never suited my taste. Like for me as a middle class person, the main issue was with the amount that I had to pay. But when I visited Himanshu Pal and when I consulted with sir, he was very helpful. He understood instantly what I was going through, the financial issues that I was facing. I consulted him and he helped me with whatever he could. So when we started this course in the month of May, sir not only taught us these skills that he had, but eventually developed in us life skills that we could use further from this industry. I really want to thank sir for teaching me all these things that he has experienced. From a minute detail that he sees in us, he is willing to correct on the spot. So whenever I would say in your mind you want to take up hairdressing as a career, or you want to enroll yourself in this field, I would suggest you to please look at this academy owned by Sir Himanshu Pal. So I would just suggest that people who want to enroll in this field, I would suggest you to come have a look at the academy, look at the facilities, talk with the persons working here, inquire about the academies, the fees. As for I see people who want to go to this industry, their main problem is with the financial problems. But here I would not say that it's totally dependent on the money. Sir will be willing to help you with whatever he can in financial, emotional, technical, everything. So I would suggest you come have a look at Himanshu Pal Academy. Thank you.